Welcome back to the Forests and Climate Change podcast. I am Elena Hidalgo, a PhD in biology specialized in genetics. In previous episodes, we saw how important the biodiversity of forest ecosystems is for our well-being. In this episode, number 6 of the series, we'll discover how human activities unbalance the relationships between different species, making forests more fragile. We'll describe the main causes leading to the extinction of species and the destruction of their habitats at a very high rate without precedents. It is urgent to reverse this situation and reduce the underlying causes. Both the biodiversity and ecosystem resources that forests provide us are degrading very rapidly due to multiple causes. These include pollution, the expansion of urban, industrial, and agricultural areas, the excessive extraction of natural resources, and climate change. All of these causes accelerate the extinction of many species and the degradation of ecosystems. To measure the vitality and health of forests, in Europe, a forest damage network has been developed with 7,500 monitoring points. 620 of them are located in Spain. Various aspects are measured at these points and used as indicators. A good indicator of forest health is leaf loss or defoliation of tree canopy, and it is relatively easy parameter to measure and is closely linked to forest decline. Leaf loss is mainly due to drought and insect attacks. Both phenomena are closely interconnected and both are accelerated by rapid global warming. For example, it is well documented how a defoliating species such as the pine processionary moth have been colonizing increasingly northern latitudes and higher altitudes over the last 30 years, threatening the balance of areas bordering its distribution area. On the other hand, it is estimated that between 1990 and 2020, 420 million hectares of forest were lost as a result of indiscriminate logging or clear-cutting. Forest loss or deforestation has serious consequences for the environment, as it puts the survival of animals and plants at risk. It causes the loss of natural habitats. It reduces the biodiversity of ecosystems and can even alter hydrological cycles. On a global scale, the FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, cites the expansion of intensive agriculture largely dedicated to crops such as soybean and palm oil, and extensive livestock farming aimed at the production of meat and dairy products, as well as illegal logging, the expansion of infrastructures such as roads, dams, and cities, and the increase in frequency and intensity of forest fires as the main causes of deforestation. Another serious threat to our forest is the so-called invasive alien species, which invade ecosystems and compete with native species, causing their displacement or even elimination. These species, which include, for example, the common cane and the ailanthus, represent one of the most important causes of biodiversity and ecosystem services loss. And this can seriously affect the health of our forest, causing serious economic damage to agriculture, forestry, and fisheries, and thus significantly affecting people's life and health. That's all for now. Thank you very much for listening to the Forest and Climate Change podcast.